Hey baddie, so we're gonna get down and dirty in this module. We're getting into floor work, okay? Now, if you've ever seen any heels videos, any routines, you know that we like to get on the floor and we're all wondering, like, how do we look so fluid? How do we look so seamless? How do we look so connected with the ground? Well, we're gonna get into it, okay? So we wanna start in our mermaid position, okay? I want you guys to pretend that you are Ariel or one of her sisters because we're starting in this cute little mermaid position. We want to make sure, again, shoulders are always away from the ears, and we are going to have the arms on the floor for some of our movements. So when we're doing that, we just want to make sure we're on the fingertips and not on the palms. So when we start to lean on the palms, the shoulders start coming up to the ears, and we don't want that because that's not cute, honey, okay? So we want to stay on the fingertips. So we're going to start with the hands back, chest is slightly open here, and we're going to go into a nice little sweep here. So we're creating a line in that right leg, really pointing through the toe. And then from here, we're gonna start to bring that leg in. Okay, we're not gonna go for that full sweep yet. We're just gonna go for a couple of reps here with that leg first. So we're gonna, again, kick out, really extending, sitting onto that left hip. And then again, coming back in. Let's go for one more time. So really sweeping, good. And then coming back in. From here, now we're gonna go back into that sweep kick, but now we're gonna come all the way up and under the hips. So the key here to a successful sweep under is by keeping the thighs together, the knees close together, and really squeezing the glutes up, pushing the hips up. So again, chest is open, we're on the fingertips. We're gonna kick that leg. Good. Now, as we bring that leg in to meet the foot, we're gonna lift the hips up using the core, using the glutes. And now we're gonna bring those feet under, good, and sitting onto that right hip. How you feeling, Heather? Not too bad, right? Now, if you're struggling at home, number one, we wanna make sure that we're on a surface that we actually can slide on. If you're trying to do this on a rug, that ain't gonna work, honey. We're gonna try this on the other side, starting first with those 3 reps of just that sweep. So we're kicking, good. Really make sure the toes are connected to the floor, kicking back in, again, sweep, good, again, and sweep, get that dirt out of here, good. All right, bring it back in. Now we're gonna go for that full sweep under. So we're gonna kick that leg, connecting the feet together, pushing the hips up, and using the core. So we're gonna kick here. As we bring that foot in, we're starting to lift the hips, using that momentum, sweeping under, and then sitting back. So the key here, if we are getting those feet stuck under, we wanna make sure that we are actively lifting up, really squeezing your glutes, okay? So now we're gonna try that. We're gonna go straight kick, under, and then straight to that other side. In 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. 1. Sweep and a kick, sweep and kick. One more, sweep. This is the last one here. I lied. Again, good, sitting back onto that left hip. Ooh, okay. Also, a good tip here would be to really keep that chest open. So if we are having trouble getting those feet under, we can always throw the head slightly back for a little bit more sex appeal, okay? So let's try it again. We're gonna start with that right leg. So kick and sweep, throw that head back. Ooh, yes, other side. Throw that head back. Ooh, yes. Throw that head back. Last one, kick, head back, and sit. Ooh, okay, yes. So now we're gonna go into a fan, okay? So again, starting in that mermaid position, we're gonna now start to bring the knees a little bit further, tucking them into the left, and we wanna keep the toes grounded, okay? That's gonna be key here, keeping the toes on the ground. So again, hands are gonna come back behind you, the chest is open, we have a slight curve in the back, and now we're gonna open just that right leg, okay? Once we feel like that right leg is almost to the floor, now we're gonna start to use that left leg to now close the fan. Good, same thing on this side. So we're opening, leading with that knee, keeping the toe on the floor. Once we're about halfway, now we're gonna